Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can send a confidential email in the Gmail app on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to take you back to your home screen. And then on your home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Google folder. And then tap on Gmail. In the Gmail, tap on the Compose button to compose a new email. Next, we're going to tap on the More button at the top, and from the pop-up, tap on Confidential Mode. When you tap on that, Confidential Mode is switched on by default. There is also a set expiration date. It is set to 1 week by default. You can change the expiry date to 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 5 years. And you can choose required passcode, whether it will be sent the passcode to an email or to an SMS passcode. So what this option does is when you send out an email, the recipient will also receive a message saying that there is a confidential mail is waiting for them to open. The content of the email will not be in that particular email. Instead, the message is stored on the mail server. So once the person has verified who they are, they will then be able to grab the message from the mail server. And so, as you can see, in addition to the verification process, there is also an expiration date on the email as well. And then tap on Save. Next, now you can start to compose the email. And you can confidential email. And then tap on Send. It says add at least one recipient. So we'll put in one recipient and then tap on Send. And that's it. Now it has been sent out. So I just sent the email to myself. And we will see what happened after that. Now you can see it say the recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. And you can also tap on the remove access to the email immediately as well if you wanted to. Okay, here is an example of the confidential email that I have received. If I open it, you can see on the email there is no message. I need to tap on the view the email button. Once I tap on that, it will load up as I send a passcode. And the passcode is now sent to this account, and I will need to put in the passcode. So I need to verify myself that I'm the actual owner of that email, and then in that email there will be a passcode. So here you can see it has a passcode that I can verify. And I can then put in that passcode. And that's it. So that's how you can see if I don't put in the correct passcode, then I will not be able to view the email at all. And that's it. So you can also expire. You can also set the email to expire, so you can remove access. So I'm tapping on that to remove access to that email. And if I try to go back in here and view the email, and it says you don't have access to this email anymore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.